tayo ay nagpapasalamat syempre kay MTRCB Chairperson Lala Soto Antonio for bridging the gap from national to local.
Alam niyo po, naniniwala ang ating chairman na ang kabataan ang ating kinabukasan.
These films are not only entertaining but also educational. These films prove to foster your awareness, enrich your knowledge, and help you gain a wider and deeper understanding of a much wider world.
This film screening is part of MTRCB's ongoing mission to support the local film industry while ensuring that students like you have access to safe, meaningful, age-appropriate